Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to show you the effects of too much shade, what the effect can be for Bermuda grass particularly. In this yard, this is a Bermuda lawn, and you can see behind me, there's almost a perfect circle around this tree where it's gotten too much shade, not enough sunlight to keep this Bermuda alive, and it has slowly degenerated over time, and it's pretty much just dirt left around this tree. There's a couple of other trees on this property too that are doing the same thing, or a couple of areas where there's been too much shade for too long a time, and the Bermuda has just pretty much disappeared, and it's just dirt that's left. So I just say that to remind you, just to be conscious of that. If you've got Bermuda grass and you've got trees planted in your lawn, make sure you keep them trimmed up. Keep the canopies trimmed up high to allow sunlight down underneath those trees. Keep the trees thinned out if they're real big to allow some sunlight through. You've got to do that, or else you're going to end up with just bare spots underneath your trees because no turf can grow there. St. Augustine's the same way, actually. It can tolerate more shade than Bermuda, but it still needs some sunlight. So just thought this was a good example. So just be conscious of that. Get out there and trim your trees up if you need to, so that your Bermuda grass can thrive. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.